Okay. Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum everyone. Turn on your videos, yeah. Putra, is it?
Ask you something, yeah.
And how do I say your name? Neris, is it? Is it Neris?
Yeah.
Okay. Come.
Yeah.
Okay, we wait for the rest for a while. I think there's one more person, should be one or two more coming, eh? All right. Neris, where are you? Is the name correct? Neris?
Yes.
Madam Rosanna, is it Neris? Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. You need to have an exercise book. Yeah, Putra, you got exercise book, Putra?
Huh?
You have an exercise book with a pen, yes?
Yes.
So Putra, you are Prince, huh?
Double.
Let me see. Oh, Madam Iki. Madam Iki is the name Neri. Sorry, I got the wrong parents' name. Neri is, huh? And we... Oh, sorry, go. Come on. Amara, just a moment. How are you, Amara? Are you okay? Are you happy? You know? You're happy? All right, we... just let me see. Okay, because just let me message the ID to some of the parents. They're wondering which is the... So I don't change the ID, so it's easy for everyone. Yeah? But... Okay, we're gonna start. Neris, are you? How do I say your name? How do I say your name? Neriryss. How do I say your name?
Neriss.
So how do I say your name?
Neris.
Neris. Okay. All right. Okay. So we're gonna start now the lesson. Okay. You need to have an exercise book, and you need to have your pen. We are going I'm just gonna assess you first. I'm gonna give you some sums from the CA1. Okay, from CA1 paper at P4. Okay, so let us see now. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is from Anglo-Chinese school. Okay, Anglo, you know what's Anglo? Anglo means English lah, orang putih. Chinese, you know what's Chinese? And it's a school, it's a good school. Eh? So let us try now. Let us try number 2, please. Number 2. Okay, this number 2. When rounded off to the nearest 1,000, which one is it? Rounded off to the nearest 1,000. Okay, if you do not know, it's okay. We'll go through. Okay, sorry, can you see? Anyone, if you have the answer, you can use the chat or you can say it out. Okay, for the first lesson, you can say it out, no problem. But as we go further, you try to learn how to use the chat. Huh? All right. Putra, you got the answer? Amara? Not yet. Still thinking. What about Putra? What about Amara? Do you know? Shafia, you know the answer to this? We're doing question number 2, Shafia. Question number 2. Neris, you know? You know the answer?
Yes. Please, apa yang patut yang tuliskan?
Wow, Putri very garang, huh, Putri?
Just focus. Focus.
Anyone got the answer?
Open your video.
Okay.
Jangan malu.
Okay, so here we go. We are gonna. I do not know whether you can get it. Putra, you know you got any answer? Putra, Amara, Neris, and Shafia. Anyone got answer? Or you don't understand the question?
So.
Okay, never mind, never mind. Come, we'll go through one by one. Okay. Which of the following when rounded off to the nearest thousand? So nearest thousand. So some of you may not know what is this question talking about. So we are going to go to the board. Nearest thousand. First of all, you take down this number. Okay. I'm going to write down a number on the whiteboard. You must know what is in what digit is in which place. Let's say I have 1, 3, 7, 2, 8, 6. Okay, I want you to identify. You can see the board, right? I want you to identify the digit in the ones place. Amara, which digit is in the ones place, Amara?
6.
6, good. So now down here, this is in the ones place. Beside it is in the tens place. You just add a 0, tens place. Beside it is in the hundreds place. Beside it is in the thousands place. Okay, this is not 6, thousands place. And then after add another one, 10,000. And the next one, 100,000. Never mind. If you do not know how to read these numbers, never mind. But you must know this is ones place. Beside one, add a 0, 10. Then add another 0, 100. Add another 0 becomes 1,000. Add another 0 becomes 10,000. And so on, so forth. Okay. So now they're asking for the nearest what? Let us look at the question. What is the question saying? They want it at the nearest 1,000. Rounded off to the nearest 1,000. What is rounded off ni? You must know what is rounded off. In Malay, you call it agak-agak. You know agak-agak, no agak-agak, agak-agak jelly. Agak-agak. Let's say now, for example, Shafia. Shafia has $1,001.50. I say, Shafia, agak-agak, Shafia, agak-agak, how many $1,000 you have in your bank? Agak-agak. You got $1,001.50. Agak-agak, how many thousand you have? Agak-agak lah.
1,000.
1,000. Correct. So you forget about the $1.50. Neris. You got 2,150. Agak-agak, how many thousands do you have? Agak-agak. Don't need to use your pen. Come. You look here, listen and tell me the answer. Come on. What's the answer? How many thousand do you have? You got 2,150 cents. How many thousand do you have? How many thousand? You look at it. How many thousand? 2,150 cents. Roughly, how much you have? How many thousand? Roughly? Neris, you got to unmute yourself lah. Just guess lah. Guess. Never mind if you get it wrong. If you get it right, I'll give you that amount of money in your bank. Inshallah. Come, can try. 2,150 cents. Roughly, you have $2,000 lah, roughly. So, you know, roughly it's about 2,000. Let's say the amount of hair. We ask Putra, how much hair do you think you have on your head? This will count the hair. Like mine will be lesser, you see, because it's going up already. Now let's say with Neri's hair, Amara's hair, Shafia's hair is all wrapped up. Imagine how much hair is there on your head, Putra? Roughly.
3,000.
3,000. Ay, you botak lah. This, I think, is about 100,000, you know. 100,000 strands, roughly. Okay, later we check again. But roughly, this is a rough idea, rough number. Why we want rough number? So that we can imagine. So this now, we are doing rough number. Agak-agak rounding off is rough number. So now you look at this. They want to the nearest 1,000. So how to do? How to do nearest 1,000? I'm going to show you. If let's say you are going to round this off to the nearest 1,000, we ask Amara. Amara, which digit is in the thousands place? Which one? Which digit? Is it 6, 8, 2, 7, 3, 1? Which one is in the thousands place?
7.
7. Okay, let's see. Ones, tens, 100,000. Good. Now, when you want to round off to the nearest 1,000, you must look at the digit beside it. Look at the digit beside it down here. If this digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you don't plus 1. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you plus 1. So down here, number 2, you don't plus 1. So what is the answer? 1, you copy exactly. 3, 7, the rest change it to 0. Can you see now? Or when you say nearest 1,000, all this will be 0. This is 1,000, right? All the rest will be 0. But you have to ask, do I plus 1 or don't plus 1? If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this one 5, 6, 7, 9, you plus 1. But down here, you don't plus 1. So this is your answer. Okay? Now we go through one by one. I know you're a little bit confused. Never mind. Never mind. Huh? When you're starting out, you're a little bit confused. It's okay. It's okay. Some of you may be confused. So now, let us go one by one. Let us try this one now. We'll ask now, Shafia, which digit in question 1 here, this one, is in the thousands place? Which one? Which one is 9? This 9, is it? This 9,
No, the
third one. Okay, very good. So remember, we must look at the one down here. Is this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Yes. Do we plus 1 down here? Now? We look down here. This is 3, right? 3. Do we plus 1? No, this is 3. Yeah? If it's 0, 1, 2 until 4, 3 and 4, we don't plus 1. So the answer down here is what? 5, 9. The rest all become 0. See, alamak, what are we doing? This is roughly agak-agak. They ask you, how many $1,000 do you have in your bank? So Putra said, I got $59,000 roughly. This is what it means. Roughly $59,000. You don't go and tell the person, I got $59,399.33. No one is interested to find out the detail. They just want to find out roughly. Okay, so down here, you know how to convert to the nearest 1,000. So now the next one, everyone will get a chance, okay? Everyone will get a chance to do the conversion. So the next one, we're going to ask Mr. Putra. Putra, we are looking at number 2. Which one now, which digit is in the thousands place? Which digit is in the thousands place?
9.
9. This 9, is it? This one,
Beside the 5.
Beside. So what do? We must look down here. Must you add 1 down here? Must plus 1 or not? To this 9? Yes, because this is more than 4. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1 down here. And all the rest becomes 0 down here. All the rest down here becomes 0. So when you plus 1, it becomes what number? 59 plus 1, it becomes what? Putra? Become 60. Can you see now? 59 or 9, you plus 1, you got a carry, that becomes 60. We have found the answer actually. This number, when you round off to the nearest 1,000, becomes 6,000. You have found the answer. Answer is number 2. Okay, but we are going to continue. Neris. Number 3, Neris, you tell me now. Number 3, this number is 60504. Which digit is in the thousands place, Neris? Which digit is in the thousands place? Is it 4? Is it 0? Is it 5? Is it 0? Is it 6?
5.
5. Okay, let us see here. This is ones, right? This is tens. This is hundreds. This is thousand. So it's actually down here. So hold on. This is one student. Okay, this one now. Let us look down here. You look at the digit down here. Must you plus 1 down here, Neris? If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. Must you plus 1? Yes or no? Neris, must plus 1 because it's 5, right? If the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. So it becomes what? It becomes 6. 0 is no more 0. It becomes 1. And all the rest becomes 0. Remember, after the thousands place, all the rest becomes 0. It's 61,000. That is why this is not the answer. Can you see? They want which one when you count nearest 1,000 becomes 60,000. This is 61,000, not correct. Okay, now we ask who have Amara. Which digit is in the thousands place? Is it 7 for number 4? For 7, 9, 8, 0, 6. Which one?
0. 0.
0. Okay, good. 0. Then we look down here. This one, must we plus 1 to the 0?
Yes.
Yes, because this is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. So this becomes what? 60 becomes 60,
What?
61. And then this becomes 1,000 down here. You get it, eh? Okay, so it's 61,000. Can you see? Day one, which of these, when you round off, becomes 60,000? So this is, the answer is 2. Okay, now we're going to practice some questions on the board. Okay, we're going to practice rounding off until you are champions at it. Okay, so now you take out your exercise book. Okay, we're going to say round off to the nearest 100. You must know which one is a 100th place, okay? So question 1 and question 2. 2 questions only. All right? What's the question? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you round off to the nearest 100? For both of them, let us see what they can do. First, you must identify the 100th place. Which one is in the 100th place? Which one is the 100th place? Okay, you try. Amara, you know which one is the 100th place or this one?
2.
2, very good. Okay, and then what about number 2?
7.
7, good. So now you do your magic. Round it off. Remember, rounding off is agak-agak. So sometimes you learn maths, you don't know what they're doing. It's an agak-agak skill. Okay, if you speak to your grandma and all that, sometimes they ask agak-agak. Putra can do, Putra. What's the answer for question number 1, Mr. Putra?
12,000.
12,000, but there's no 12,000. You see, this is 1,234. You say 12,000. So much, 12,000. So much. You only got 1,000. You round off, become 12,000. So big. Neris, what do you think the answer is, Neris? Try. Putra, you can change your answer. Amara, you can say it out. So we have some answers now from some of the students who have sent me the answer. So, okay. Oh, you all are, okay, giving me the answer. Okay. So one person said the first answer is 1,000. Another one says 1,100. Another one says just now, Putra said 12,000. Very big. Maybe he doesn't mean this. Putra doesn't. Neris, what do you think your answer is, Neris? Guess. Don't look at Kaka, Mami, and all behind you. Believe in yourself. Okay, I will show you for this one, all right? Now, which one is in the... Faris, this one is nearest 100, not nearest 1,000. So this is ones. This is tens. This is 100. Underline the 100 now. And then you must look at the digit to the right. This number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't add, don't plus. So if you don't plus, you write what? 1, 2, 0, 0. I think Putra got this answer. But he says 12,000. No, this is 1,200 down here. This is the answer, 1,200. Okay, now we try for the next one now. The next one, let us see. Next one. Same thing. Faris, you are giving your answer to the nearest 1,000. We do not want nearest 1,000, we want nearest 100. So, Neris, can try question number 2. Which digit is in the 100th place, Neris? Which digit? Is it 9, 8, 7, 6? Which one, Neris?
7.
7. So you look at this. Must you plus 1 to 7 or not? Neris, must you plus 1 or not? Must, because remember, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. So we plus down, 1 becomes 6, 8. What happened to these two? They become 0. All of them change to 0. 6,800. You got to be careful, okay? We try now another 2 more questions. Notice I want nearest 100 for this one. The next one, I might give a different nearest 10 or nearest 1,000. Okay? All right, we go to the next question. You try. You can do this. You have to believe in yourself. Now it's to the nearest 10. You know what is 10? Nearest 10. This is question 3. This is question 4. So I'm going to give you 1, 2, 7. This is 1. 8, 1, 3, 6, 4. Okay, you can send your message to me. What do you think your answers are? Okay, Shafia, Amara, you try question 3. What do you think the answer is? To the nearest 10, to the nearest 10. Okay, action, Amara. Tell me what's the answer. This sign means one.
130.
130. Okay, I do not know whether that was Amara or Amara's sister, Shafia. Amara, you got new sister, Shafia. Amara. Okay, which digit? We asked Amara, which digit is in the 10th place? Is it 1 or 7? Which one is in the 10th place? 1 or 7? Believe in yourself. 1 or 7? 2. Well done. Don't believe. But sometimes don't believe what I'm saying. I'm trying to trick you. So 2. Then you look at the digit next to it. So must you add 1 to the 2? Yes, because this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You must add 1. So you add 1 becomes 3. What happened to this digit? It becomes 0. Congratulations to Ms. Shafia. Now, do you know what this is? This means the rounding off sign. 127 is roughly estimated rounded off to nearest 100 equals to this. This is the sign. You can write it 2 ways. You can write it like that, or you can write it like that. Like 2 ways, up to you. Okay, the next one. We ask Putra lah, Putra. Putra, which digit is in the 10th place for number 4?
6.
6. So we look at the digit and besides 6. Must we add 1 or not?
No.
So what's your answer? You tell me. 8.
8, 1, 3, 6,
6.
0.
0. So what is this number? This is correct. You don't add 1. So how do you read this number? Can you try? Shafia, can read Shafia this number? Can read?
Read.
Read. Who's asking you? Oh, Putri is telling Putra to read. Okay, read. Anyone who can read. Amara can read this number. Neris can read. Who knows? Amara, you try. What number is this?
81,000.
81,000.
81,360.
Well done, well done. So how to read? Now I realize there's a lot of students do not know how to read numbers. So before we continue, we're going to test you on your reading. Okay. So now in order to read numbers, let's say I give you this number like that. Say how to read. Very simple. Watch this. Watch this. Maris, watch this. You count 3 from the back. 1, 2, 3. You put a comma. This is 1 stands 100. Down here become 1,000. Neris, how many thousands are there? How many thousand? Neris. Don't put science in language. Turn on your audio. No. I don't want. Please tell me what number. I need you to read this number. What number is this, Neris? What number? No. See, no sound. I do not know whether you understand. Okay, what about 12,763? Well done. We are going to test. Every one of you going to be tested. So here we go now. We ask now Miss Shafia. Shafia, what number is this? Don't be scared of this number, Shafia. You want me to put a comma for you? Count 1, 2, 3. Put a comma here. How many thousand, Shafia? Turn on your audio. Come on. Turn on your audio. Come, read. How many? What's this number? Huh? No, this one.
No, you.
Miss Shafia, come on. What number? Let Shafia try. What number is this? 300 and?
116,000.
Then continue to 142. We must be able to do it. We try now the next one. We try.
May I go toilet?
Go. Those who want to go toilet, they carry on. Now the next one. Now we ask Amara. Amara, you try. Amara, you can do this. Amara. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Amara, what's the number?
67,142.
Well done, well done. We ask now. We ask Mr. Putra. Don't be scared by this, huh? Okay, Putra. 1, 2, 3.
210,767.
Okay, well done, well done, well done. Huh? Okay, all of you all are okay, huh? All are okay. So we move back. We move back to the questions. So down here in this tuition, you shouldn't be ashamed, no? Ashamed of what? Ashamed of making mistakes, no? So what if you make mistakes? That's why you are coming for tuition, right? Okay, now we try the next one. This is Methodist girls. Okay, the Christian schools, their papers are very good. Huh? Hopefully one day we can have the madrasas down here, the paper by the madrasa. Okay, you try now to try question 1 and 2 and 3. Please try 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm very sad today because somebody promised me to make a drink for me, but I don't have drink. Poor thing. Yeah, somebody, I was promised coffee. Okay, you can send your answers to me.
Cik, you're mute.
Bisa. Sini. Apa nih mana sangat ya? Bisa Shaheed. Bisa Shaheed.
Yeah, so sorry. I was on mute. I was talking to no one. Huh? I'm so sorry. I thought I was so sorry. Okay, let me. I'm not going to repeat this lah. I'm not going to repeat. Okay, if you cannot hear me, you must tell me. All right. I'm so sorry. I was on mute. Okay, apologies. Okay, here we go. Now we look at the other questions there. Okay, please, if let's say I am talking, you cannot hear me, please tell me, okay, my mistake. Okay, we try question number 1 first. Question number 1. So just now you all didn't hear me all a while. Huh? Oh my goodness. Can you try question number 1?
Ask what are we doing?
Question 1. Question number 1. This one.
Semoga maksimum habis.
What happened? Okay, anyone got answer? Please send your answer. Let's see, 2% have gotten your answer. So you can hear me, yeah? All right, my mistake. So sorry, my mistake. Okay, Amara, let me see. Congratulations, Miss Amara. Yeah, you Neris, please go to the toilet. No problem. You want to go toilet? Please go to the toilet. Okay, no problem. Please go to the toilet. Okay, don't wait for me. Okay, well done also to Mr. Putra. All right. So the answer is very simple. 88,808, which is this. Okay. All right, we move on to the next one. Okay. Fractions we're not doing now. Okay, and what is the value of the digit 5 in this? Very simple. Okay, you can just send me your answer. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6, Shafia. Shafia, do not turn off your video. I remove you just now because you were always turning off your video. So don't turn off your video. If you turn off your video, I will remove you for the second time. Okay, well done, Putra.
Check.
Unless you have something else there. Anyone else?
Just get my brother join. He want to join.
Not today, please. Not today, please. No surprise yet, please. Not today, yeah. Another time. Next week then. Okay, next one. Well done, Miss Amara. Okay, very simple. How do we do this? This is 5. It's in the hundreds place, right? We just write down the 5 and then add the 0 here. This is 500. Okay, so we move on. Okay. Okay. All this we are down here. Be careful. I want you to be careful. This is number 12, all right? Number 12. Be careful. Find the product. Amara, what's the meaning of product, Amara? Product means what? Times. So you need to times this first. Then after that, you round off to the nearest 10. So this is step 1. Step 1, you times first. Cannot use calculator. Okay, step 1. Then after that, you round off. Okay? You try. You can do this. You can do this. Okay, do not use calculator. Neris, you okay, Neris? All right, now. So Neris, we want you to multiply 364 by 28. You must get the answer first. After that, round off to the nearest 10. Round off to the nearest 10. Okay, and then you can message me what your answer is, all right? Okay, anyone? Okay, you must be able to do this, eh? All right, let's see. One person got it. Faris, let me see whether you are correct. To the nearest 10. Congratulations, Mr. Faris. Well done. Okay, if you are done, you can try question 13. Those who have done can try question number 13. But
Did I get correct?
yes. Congratulations. Okay. What about the rest? Putra, what's your answer? Still doing. Shafia, Sharifa, astaghfirullahalazim. Now I forgot your name. Shafika's sister, what's your answer? Shafia, what's your answer, Shafia? Okay, if you're not sure, we'll do together. I give you 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Try. Sorry? Amara, can do Amara? Can, maybe. So your timetable's got to be good. Otherwise, you'll be waiting very long. Putra, your time's ready, Putra. What's your answer? When you times? What's your answer down here? Can you tell me? Just tell. Just say it out. Unmute yourself. Unmute. What's your answer when you time's out? Just read out the number. Just read out the digits. No problem. 1
10192.
10192. Okay, yes. When you multiply, you must get this answer. But that is step 1. So now your next step, Mr. Putra, is to round off to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Come on, you can round off to nearest 10. You can round off to the nearest 10. Come on. Those of you who didn't get 10192, you use this answer and you try to round off. Neris, you got the answer, Neris? We are waiting for you. Neris, 10192, can you convert to the nearest 10? Come on. You can do it. You can do this, Amara, what about you, Amara? Convert this to the nearest 10. Putra, this is your answer. Come. Tell us what is the answer.
10,190.
10,190. Okay. Hey, sorry, Mr. Faris, your answer is wrong. I'm so sorry. I saw I look at the wrong thing. Yes. You look at the 2 down here. You look at the 2. So sorry, Faris. So sorry. My mind was on something else. This 2 now is you don't plus 1. So you leave it as 9. Okay, leave it as 9. So 10190. Faris, okay, your answer is not correct. Please, I made a mistake. I'm so sorry. All right, watch this. Down here now is 2. I do not know. I thought I saw 9. Okay, but anyway, this is 2. 2, you don't plus 1. 10190. Okay. All right. So step 2, this is the answer. Okay. Once again, apologies because I'm very worried when I give you the wrong answer, then you think you get the right answer and then you learn the wrong thing. So sometimes teachers make mistakes also. So let us go now back to the first paper and then we have a look again at the different questions here. Okay. These are all from the test papers, okay? So you must be able to do all this. All right, let me see. Okay, not yet. Okay, this one is easy. I'm not going to. Okay, we try this. Question number 1. Can you arrange the numbers beginning with the biggest? Aduh, who is that? Is that scary lah. I think all of us will have nightmare. It's either Neri's sister or Putra's sister. Okay, come. Can we try? Okay. Arrange from greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. So notice, even I will make mistakes if my mind is not paying attention. It will make mistake. Let us see. Okay, Faris, I think you're giving smallest to biggest. They want beginning with the greatest. Beginning with the greatest. Okay. You are supposed to arrange it, arrange it with the biggest. Okay, Neris, you can also send it to me. Amara, what about you? Amara, don't cry, Amara. Amara, it's only a sum. Please tell us what's the answer. Okay, I think Mr. Faris has gotten it. Wait, let me check. Let me check carefully. Okay, congratulations to Mr. Faris. First person to get it correct. What about Amara and Putra? Putra, come on, you can do it. Shafia, you can do this, Shafia. Neris, come on. You can do this, come on, you can do this. It's not so tough. Start with the biggest one. Which one is the biggest? Putra, can Putra? Okay, we'll ask you now. We'll go for group discussion because it's taking too long. So now, which number is the biggest? Anyone knows not? Which one is the biggest? Is the first one number 1, 2, 3, 4? Which one is the biggest? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? Amara, which one is the biggest? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? Hello, Shafia? You do not know which one is the biggest, eh? You know, right? Which one is the biggest now? This
3.
is 3, yes, 87,000. So we write this here. So this is 87,532. Well done. What's the next biggest one, Amara? The next biggest. Number 1, 85, number 1. Now here, this is 1, 85,372. And then after that, Amara? 4, 85,327. The difference is almost the same. This is 853, but this is 72. This is 27, yes. And the last one is 3,000, is 257. Well done. You should be able to get all this question correct. This is like a free free marks given to you. Okay, all right, now we move on to the next one. All right, here we go. Now, how to do this? You can see this clearly. Do you know what this is now? This one is a divide sign. R is the remainder. So what are they telling you? They are asking you this question. They are saying, if let's say you do long division like that, you divide it by 6, you get the answer 193 here, and then your remainder is 5. What is this number here? That is what they are asking you. Can you try? You try, okay? There is a method. If you don't know, I will teach you in a moment. Okay, so I will ask you lah now. I think I ask you in the moment. The moment is now. Okay, here we go. You tell me now what number is being divided. Okay, I divide this by 3. Okay, I get 5. And there's a remainder 1. What is the number here? Anyone? Small number, anyone? Just say out the answer. Shout out the answer. Shafia, come on. Stop playing on the trees, Shafia, and the clouds. Putra, Neris, anyone? What's the answer? You know not? Amaran, you know?
Yeah.
What's the answer?
I think 15.
15. Okay, let's try 15. Huh? Let us try 15. Okay, remember down here there's a remainder 1. Okay, we put 15 here. 15 divided by 3 is 5, correct? So 5 times 15. When you minus, there is no remainder 0. So I show you the method. Okay, how to get this number. Take 5 times 3, 15, plus 1, 16.
I know the answer.
What's your answer?
32.
32. Okay, we try 32. Let's see. 32. We put a 3 here. But then we have a 1 already on top here. We put 3, there's 1 on here. So it's different. Okay, now we try. I show you the method. Watch. Take this number on top times this thing. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Then what you do? You plus 1. 15 plus 1 equals 16. Let's test. We test this now. Okay, let's see. Remember 5 down here. Oh, 15 can divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 get 5. Okay. And then when you minus, you get 1. So answer is correct, 16. How to do? 5 times 3. Then you plus 1. So this number times this one plus the remainder. Now you try to do on the test paper. Find what is the answer. You can do this. Okay, you can do this. I am going to write down for you what they are saying down here. They are saying something like that. The 6 is outside. Right? There's 193 here. There's a remainder of 5. Okay, what is the answer? You know what to do. I showed you what to do. You know what to do. Anyone can say the answer. Anyone can say the answer. You can say it out. You can type it out. And then we will see whether you are right. Narish, you know what to do, right? Narish, don't go away. I just call your name, you go away. Why? You can do this. You can do this. Come. You can do this.
I know the answer.
What's the answer?
33.
Again 33. Why is 33? Come on.
33 lucky number, right?
Hey, don't. Hey, serious, Faris. Why are you joking like that? Come, you don't have time for jokes. This is another 40 minutes left or so. Putra, you know how to do, Putra? I showed you the method.
Okay, I know.
Okay. You type the answer. For you, you type the answer. You type the answer.
I know the answer.
Okay, congratulations, Putra. Well done.
Okay. 1163.
Okay, well done. Well done. Huh?
Let's go.
Hey, please don't act crazy after I'll kick you out from the class also. Please. All right, now here we go. We take this number. We times this number. So you take 193 times 6. So your timetable got to be good. 3 times 6, 18. Carry 1. 9 times 6, 54 plus 1, 55. Then 1 times 6 is 6 plus 5 is 11. Then we must remember to plus the remainder, which is 5. And when you do that, you get 1163. If you don't believe, we have to do it backward. We can check it. You see, we can check it. See, 1163 divided by 6. We can check, you see. All right. So you get 1 now here. You minus, you get 5. You bring down the 6. This is 48, 54. 54, right? Hey, hold on. Minus 6, you get 5. Hold on, huh? Yeah. 54 is 9. Yeah, correct. Then you minus, you get 2. Bring down the 3. And down here you get 18, right? 18 is 3. Okay. Hey, for a while I thought I did something wrong. Then you minus, you get 5. Okay, you minus, you get 5. So 193, can you see 193? 6 down here, 6 down here, remainder 5. This is exactly the same. Exactly the same. So this is correct. You know how to check. All right. You know how to check. Okay, let's go. Let's try again. We try the next question. Okay, let's see. Problem sum. Okay, problem sums later. What happened? Okay. Can you try? Okay, common factor not yet. Down here. You do long division. Try to divide 4,321 by 7. Okay, we are going to see how good you are. You divide by 7. Okay, those of you who are
I know.
don't say you type. Don't need to announce. You type and the thing.
Can I see the answer?
Cannot. You must type. I don't want your answer to be 23 again.
Different answer.
No. You type the
Please.
answer and show me. Don't tell. Just type. Okay, for
No
those
more
of
lucky
you,
number. This number is lucky charm one.
hey, please, Faris, you must be serious. Your video is off. You're playing a fool. This is not funny, Faris. You're not see me angry. I'm going to scold you, no? Please, Okay, Faris, I'm so sorry. I have to remove Faris. He's playing a fool.
No.
And please follow instructions. Otherwise, I'll remove you. Almost about to remove. Okay, the one who gets removed is removed already. Not yet. Okay, anyone who got answer, please? Okay, I've given you some of the 7 timetable if you are having difficulty, because some of you are taking very long for the timetable. So I'm helping you here. Okay, let us see whether you're right. Okay, see, you didn't, you, answer is wrong, Paris. You didn't read the question, I think. They're asking you for the remainder. Remainder is the number that is down here, right? What is the remainder? What is the remainder? What's the number down here? That is what they're asking you. Okay, anyone else? Okay, congratulations, Putra, congratulations, well done. Okay, anyone else? Okay, we just wait for a while, okay? Okay, 1 minute more, 1 minute more. Okay, the timetables are all here. Amara can do, Amara? Okay, we do together. Those who can't do, we do together.
Coming out.
What is coming out? Let me see. Okay. Okay, here we go. So now you divide by 7. 4 cannot divide. 42 can. Okay, 42 divided by 7, you get 6 here. 43 minus 42, you get 1. Bring down the 2. Okay, 12 divided by 7, you can put 7 here. This is 1 here. Okay. So when you minus, you get 5. Bring down the 1. Now, this is 49 over here. When you, okay, 49 down here. I don't know whether you can see this. Hold on. This is 49. So 49 over here, when you minus, you get 2 lah. 51 minus 49, you get 2. So the remainder is 2. Down here is going to be, I forgot to write the, let me see, 49, you have a 7 here. But 51 minus 49, you get 2.
Let's go see.
Okay, if let's say you're having background noises, can mute yourself, otherwise the rest will be affected. So down here, the answer is 2 down here. Remainder is 2. They're asking you for this number. All right. Okay, we move on to the next one. Now. We don't have much time, so we move on to the next one. Okay. I think we have to do some problem sums now. Let us see how good you are with the problem sums. Okay, hold on. Not yet. I will give you something that is not so tough. Okay, not yet this one. Okay. Can you try this one? Daniel says $75. He saved 30 less than Ahmad. The total amount of money Daniel and Ahmad saved was twice the amount Leela saved. you should draw a model for this one. So you must first of all understand there's how many persons here. There's Daniel, there's Ahmad, there's Lila.
Can I say the answer?
No, you just type, just type. Just type
Malas
ini.
to type.
Okay, we'll check shortly. So what you have found, Faris, is you have found Ahmad's answer. You have found, is it you found Ahmad's answer or no? You didn't find Ahmad's answer. You did not find Ahmad. You made a mistake. Daniel, they tell you the amount of money that Daniel saved already, $75. So you may need to draw models, boys and girls. You need to draw models. Okay, I will just help you with the drawing of models. Okay, let's say this is Daniel here or Daniel. So this is $75. So now you look at the next sentence. He, meaning Daniel, he is Daniel. Daniel saved less. Daniel saved less than Ahmad. Means Ahmad must save more. So if we draw a model, Ahmad's model must be more than Daniel. Can you see? Daniel saved less. Can you see? Daniel saved less. How much less? $30 less. From here to here is $30 less. This is the model between Ahmad and Daniel. So this is $30. Okay. So now they say that the total amount Daniel and Ahmad saved was twice amount of money Lila saved. Okay. So don't worry about that yet. Can you find out what is Ahmad's money first? What's the amount of money Ahmad saved first? Very simple. You look at the model, you can see. Okay, I'm giving you the clues down here. You see, Ahmad saved $30 more than Daniel. So Ahmad's one is how much? 75 plus 30. This is what? This is $105. Okay, that's what Ahmad and Daniel got saved. You see, altogether is $105. Now they tell you both the total amount Ahmad and Daniel saved is twice. But before that, what is the total amount? We want to find out what's the total amount. Both of them save how much? Well, we know now Ahmad saved 105. Daniel saved 75. Now we can add now. Daniel and Ahmad save how much? Let's see. We get 5, 5, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 180. Both of them save 180. And this amount is twice of Lila. What does it mean twice? So that means Lila is half lah. Lila's amount is half. So down here now, okay, what we do, we take 180 divided by divided by 2. Okay, we get 90. So Leela's amount of money is 90. But if you don't understand now, we have to go step by step. Okay, we have to go step by step, which I'm going to erase this whole thing and then run through one by one. Because many of the students who are confused by problem sums, actually they are inside their hearts, they are scared of problem sum. No? The moment they see problem sum, their mind switch off. So now what we need to do, we need to make sure that we go line by line first. Okay, first of all, down here, Daniel saved $75. We know how much Daniel saved. Daniel saved $75. We know already. We know. And then we go for the next sentence. Daniel saved less than Ahmad. So that means Ahmad must save more lah. So if I draw the model for Daniel or Daniel, Daniel must be less than Ahmad. Ahmad must be more. So I draw a bigger model for Ahmad. Ahmad's one, I draw slightly bigger lah. And how much more? $30 more. So Ahmad's one is how much? Ahmad's amount is 75 plus 30. How much is it in total? Is $105.
Kau take water.
Yeah, take. $105. Can you see? So now this is Ahmad's money is 105. Daniel is 75. D plus A, Daniel plus Ahmad is how much? Well, we add them together. 105 plus 75 is equal to what? Is equal to 180. Okay, 180. So now we got to understand what they say down here. If you understand the last sentence, you know what to do. Okay, they say that the total amount Daniel and Ahmad saved was twice the amount Leela saved. So I'm going to draw another model here. I'm going to draw another model, and I'm going to use now blue color. So Leela is this much. This is Leela. And they say Ahmad and Daniel is twice of Leela. You see, Ahmad and Daniel is twice of Leela down here. Okay, this is Ahmad and Daniel. So all together they have 180. Ahmad and Daniel. You want to find Leela? Take 180 divided by 2 lah. Okay, and then you will get 90. Okay, you will get $90. So Leela saved $90. Now, if you cannot get it, it's okay. But what you can do is to watch this video. Now, I upload all our videos. No, all the videos of the Zoom tuition is uploaded. So I'm going to show you how to find. Okay, I'm going to show you now. Okay, I'm going to close this. If you want to see the working again, you can go to the video. I'll upload tonight. Watch. Okay, you go to your browser. Okay, you go to your browser, and then sorry. Okay, let's say your browser is here lah. Okay, and then you type this. You type Mr. Shaheed Zoom tuition. Okay, you go here. Once you go here, you see, you can see all the different, you click on my name here, Shaheed Salim. You click on here. Now can you see playlist? You click playlist. When you click playlist down here, you will see, what will you see? Sec 1 Maths 2021, Sec 2 Maths 2021, Primary 6 2021, Primary 4 2021. So yours will be in the Primary 4 group. Even though it's new, you can click down here, and then you have so many different Primary 4 classes, Primary 4 fractions. You look for the date. You look for the date, 14 March. So today's date, what is today's date? 29 March. You look for 29 March, and you will be able to see our lesson. Okay? So if let's say you do not understand, you need more time, it's okay. Sometimes we need more time to understand. All right? So you go and check out the playlist, and then you watch it again. And you try the questions again. But most of the students don't visit the videos. But some only do. Some only do. All right? So if you do, great. If you don't, yeah, it's okay. So let's try the next one. Now we have another 15 minutes more. And hold on. Let us see whether we can. Okay, hold on. We just try the next one. I want to choose something that is not too tough. Okay. This is a problem sum. And can we try 17? There's only two persons, Lisa and Terry. They had the same number of sweets at first. So you draw a rectangle like that. One Lisa, one Terry, you can draw it the same. Then Lisa gave 15 sweets to the sister. And after giving, Lisa got less and Terry got 4 times. So can you try to draw a model for this? We give you 3 minutes for this one. You try. After that, I will draw for you also. Okay, I will draw this for you. Okay, this is a little bit challenging, but you need to know all this, okay? You need to know all this. Okay, I need to test you just for today to see whether this is easy for you, difficult for you. If it's difficult, then I will adjust the lesson. Okay, if anyone get, please send a message, please. Okay, anyone knows how to draw? Okay, let's see. Someone has sent me an answer. Let me see. Wow. Let us see. I don't think so. That is not the answer. Not the answer. Good try though, good try. But I don't think you drew the model. Because if you draw the model, you know it's not. Okay, let us see now. Another person said, yeah, please, you need to go toilet. Please go. Okay, I'm going to draw the model for you. Let's see. But before that, let me ask. Neris, you know how to draw the model? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Can you show me then? Can you show me? Put up your book if you can. If you know how to draw, show me. If you don't know, just shake your head, say don't know. Shafiya, do you know how to draw the model? Putra, you know how to draw the model? No, okay, I will show you. I will show you. Okay, now. Neris, you check whether your model is the same. So now, at the beginning, Lisa and Terry, they have the same number of sweets. You see, same number of sweets. So now this is Lisa. I draw like that. Lisa. Okay, this is Lisa's one. And this is Terry. This is Terry's one. At first, it's the same, you know. And then Lisa, watch what I do. Neris, watch what I do. Lisa, Neris, you see, Lisa gave away this to the sister. Okay, the sister's name is Naomi lah. Imagine. Okay, gave away this to the sister. This amount, the whole of this. And this part that she gave away is 15 sweets. 15 sweets. Can you see 15? And we do not know how much is this. But we know that now Terry has 4 times as much as Lisa. Means Terry has like that now. Oh, by looking at this, we know that 1, 2, 3 units is equal to 15. Can you see now? 3 units is equal to 15 because this is 15. 15 is equal to 3 units. So 3 units equals to 15. What is 1 unit? 1 unit is 15 divided by 3. 1/5 divided by 3. And what do you get? You get 5 lah. So this Lisa's one is 5. What about Terry? This is 5. This is 5. This is 5. This is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 is the amount of sweets Terry has, which is the same number Lisa had at first. So Lisa also had 20. Okay, I think I've lost you already, but it's okay. I'm going to test you on the timetable now. Okay, we're going to try. Each one is given 5. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Ready? We're going to start with Putra. 5, 4.
20.
20. Good. Okay, we're going to ask. Here we go. Miss Neris. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
8.
8. Okay. Miss Shafia. 5, 4, 3, 2,
35.
35. Faris is not there. Okay. Putra. 5, 4, 3, 2, 40. And Neris.
40.
40. Faris. 5, 4, 3, 2,
48.
48. Okay,
48.
Neris, here we go. Neris. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
66.
66. That's not, who's the one answering? Is that Neris or someone else? Okay, here we go. And we ask now, here we go, Shafia. 5, 4, 3,
21.
21. Okay, now we go for speed round. Whoever, I will count the number of cards you have. Okay, I need to know if you're answering, you need to just say out the answer. Here we go. Anyone?
48.
Anyone? 48. Okay, Putra. Anyone? Neris, you must say out the answer. Don't be shy. Shafia.
48.
No, that one over it. 48 over it. Okay, next one.
40.
40.
40.
Okay, almost there. Over. Next one.
35.
35.
35. Who was the one who said 35 first? Shafia.
Me.
Oh, Faris. Okay, here we go.
Yeah. 8. 12. 12.
8.
12 or 8?
8.
8. Okay, this one 2% say so tak jadi.
20.
20.
20. 20. Okay.
66.
66.
Okay, 3% say thing. Neris, come on, Neris.
21.
21 to go, Miss Shafia.
33.
33 to
33.
Putra.
18.
18 Putra.
Ako sakparan.
36.
36.
36 2%.
56.
56. Well done.
72.
72. Amara, get ready, Amara. Here we go. All together. Amara, go. Anyone?
28.
28 to Shafia. Wow. Okay, so the highest number of cards, I think, I just read the highest. This goes to Putra with 7 cards. Okay, this time now, we go back to our work. So I will need you to practice this on your own, actually, because this, your long division, is all dependent on this. Okay, we try. We try. We got another set. We got 7 minutes more. Okay, here we go. Okay, can you try question 18? If you need to draw a model, please draw a model. Yeah, go, please. You need to go toilet, please go. Okay, don't need to. You just, next time you need to go toilet, just send me a message. I'm going toilet and just go. Yeah. I ever told this story to some of my students. There's this student of mine, primary 4. Last time I had a tuition center, and he kencing inside the tuition center. I went down to buy them a drink because they won something. When I came out, he was standing in his puddle of urine. And then I asked him, why did you go to the toilet? He said, I didn't ask permission. Actually, he was afraid to go to the toilet alone. That's the reason why he kencing in the center. So that's your house. You don't need to be scared of going to the toilet. Thrice means 3 times. Thrice means 3 times. Now you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. Amara, can Amara? How many persons are there, Amara, in this story? Some? Is there 1, 2, 3, 4? How many?
2.
2, are you sure?
3.
3. So you must write Jenny, Amy, Ginny. Okay. Ginny appears in Harry Potter show. Okay. So you know Jenny has 3,820. So now you can draw this model here. This model you can draw.
You requires kita untuk shape dengan untuk draw dotted lines.
Okay, that was sister teaching brother. So yeah. So you can draw this. You need to draw this model, the one I just underlined. Amy baked thrice as many pineapple tarts. If you do not know what's pineapple tart, Hari Raya you see kueh tart, right? Kueh tart is pineapple tart lah. Okay, because they not normally this sign. Oh, that sign means estimated. Okay, what does this sign mean? Well, someone is asking me on the chat, what does this sign? This means roughly. Let's say now Yumi has $1,001. I say to the nearest 10, let's say. So to the nearest 1,000, roughly this is equal agak-agak lah. This is rounded off, estimated. This we use this sign. We cannot use equal. Equal means exactly the same. This one means roughly the same. Okay, you get it, roughly the same lah. Let's say I ask Neris, agak-agak how many strands of hair you have on your head? You say I got 250,000. Okay, agak-agak. But actually
More than a million lah.
not more than a million. Okay, later I will check the article and show it to you. Okay, so can you draw your A and G, Amy and Ginny? You try to draw.
Genie.
Okay, I'm just going to show you in a moment. Okay, time's up. I will show you now. Okay, but before I show you, I'm going to show you something else so that we all are very clear because I brought this topic out. This is now, okay. Can you see the word average here? The average human head has 100,000 strands of hair. So roughly the human being's head, roughly about 100,000. But as you grow older, you become older like me, you have less. Maybe I might have 60,000. And then you see someone who's near botak, he might have 10,000 only. So maybe, let's say Shafia, her head, she wrapped her hair inside a scarf. Inside the head got a lot of hair. Maybe hers is 120,000. But she will not have 1 million. You have 1 million, even her eyebrows is like a toyol. Okay, so it cannot be. All right. So now we go back to our maths. This is sometimes we need to know. Okay. All right, here we go. So now down here, now we go to Amy and Ginny. So Amy is here, Ginny is here. And then Amy has 3 times. So we draw 3 lah down here. Okay, Ginny is here.
Sure. Toyol where got hair?
Okay, later we come to that later. Okay. Now here we go. So Amy has 3 times of Ginny. All right. And then they tell us that Ginny baked 290 pineapple tarts more than who? More than Jenny. More than Jenny, no. So now this is Jenny. Who has more? Ginny has more. Ginny has more than who? More than Jenny. So I must write the correct letter. So this is now Genie. Where's Genie? Genie is this one. Okay, I'll write it here. So Genie is even lesser than Jenny. Jenny, sorry. Allahu Akbar. I repeat. Genie baked more than Jenny. So Genie baked more than Jenny. So Jenny is lesser. So down here, roughly down here, this is 290. Roughly lah. Okay. Okay. So down here is roughly 290. And then Jenny, they tell us how much? 3,820.
220.
So now down here, this is 3. You want to find Genie? Genie's one is 290 times plus 3820. You will get your answer. What is the answer? Okay. The answer you add now, and you'll get the answer to be, I'm adding now, 3820 plus 290. 4,110. Okay, so this part down here, from here to here, is 4110, you know. This part down here is 4110. Oh, astaga. I just draw right again. This part down here is 4110. So there's 34110 here. Yeah, I think I'm losing you guys. Never mind. If I'm losing you guys, we'll go through this in the next lesson again. So you want to find how much Amy has? 4110 times 3. You will get the amount of tarts Amy baked. Okay. So what is it? It's 12,330. Okay, but never mind. If you can't get it, it's okay. Normally, I don't end with a problem sum, but if you feel you're lost, you can watch the video again, but we will go through this again. Okay, this is model drawing. We need to go through this again. Okay, it's already 9:16. We'll continue next week, inshallah. All right, so we'll see you next week. Thank you very much for attending the lesson. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.